Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking development that's poised to reshape India's cybersecurity landscape. Get ready to learn all about Maya OS, the indigenous operating system set to replace Microsoft Windows in the Union Ministry of Defense. In recent times, India has faced escalating cyber threats, targeting critical infrastructure and defense systems. This necessitated a new approach to cybersecurity. Maya OS, a secure operating system developed by the Union Ministry of Defense. Built on the open-source Ubuntu platform, Maya OS combines familiarity with heightened security. One of Maya OS's standout features is Chakravyuh. Inspired by ancient Indian defense tactics, Chakravyuh acts as an anti-malware and antivirus shield, creating a virtual layer between users and the Internet. Maya OS offers a user-friendly interface, resembling the look and feel of Windows. It supports familiar applications like Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, and more. The development of Maya OS was a collaborative effort, involving experts from government agencies, such as DRDO and CDAC, alongside Indian software companies and academic institutions. Why the name Maya? It draws from the ancient Indian concept of illusion, reflecting the challenge hackers will face when trying to breach defense ministry systems. Maya OS is scheduled for implementation across the defense ministry's computers by year-end. The success of Maya OS within the ministry paves the way for its adoption by the Army, Navy, and Air Force. By adopting Maya OS, India strengthens its cybersecurity, reduces reliance on foreign software, and fosters indigenous innovation. And there you have it, Maya OS, the game-changing operating system that's propelling India's cybersecurity efforts forward. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.